Imagine a hacker leaked the CEO's password online, but instead of the actual password, all we have is a strange string of characters called hash. Can we recover the original password? Today I will show you exactly how to solve two real beginner-friendly capture the flag challenges from CyberTalent. Hello everyone, welcome to White Mind. If you are interested in cybersecurity, CTF, ethical hacking, and learning practical problem-solving skills, we are in the right place. Today we will start with a quick introduction to CTF and then solve two cryptography challenges step by step. Before solving challenges, let's quickly understand what CTF means. What is actually CTF? Capture the flag. Capture the flag is a cybersecurity competition where people solve challenges in cryptography, web hacking, forensics, and reverse engineering to find hidden strings called flags. There are mainly three types of CTF. Most new type is called King of the Hill, and the old types are Jeopardy style, with attack defense style, and mixed style. In Jeopardy style, solve independent challenges and collect points. In the second case, attack defense style, protect your system while attacking others. And the third style is combination of Jeopardy style and attack defense style. And the last one, King of the Hill, it is mainly control a system longer than others. In this series, we will cover cryptography, digital forensics, open source intelligence, web security, reverse engineering, exploitation, and network security. So first of all, we'll look up our cryptography. In this sense, what is cryptology? The overall science of secure communication combining both creating and breaking codes. It includes cryptography and cryptanalysis. Communication, cryptology is equal to cryptography plus cryptanalysis. And what is cryptography? Cryptography, the practice of designing methods to secure information by converting it into unreadable formats, encryption, so only authorized users can read it. And cryptanalysis, namely the study and practice of breaking cryptographic systems to decode hidden information without knowing the key. Mainly breaking the cryptographic ciphertext in that technology. Basic example here, I given here cipher. Plain text like I am a student. If the key is 3, ciphertext can be LDPD like this. This is in the first look we cannot understand what the message actually is. But if we have the key, we can decrypt the message like I am a student. Enough now theory. Let's solve real challenges. There is a site called CyberTalent where we can practice geopartic style CTFs. First of all, we will today discuss cryptography, the section of cryptography. The first one is crack the hash, and let's do this. I've given a challenge description. A hacker leaked the below hash online. Can you crack it to know the password of the CEO? There is the hash. First thing, hash function is a one-way function that we cannot reverse this string into its real form, but we can convert our plain text to like these format hashes and compare with this hash to predict the password. First of all, I will take this password and copy it. Hash format. Let's see the length of this password hash. Go. Object 2. It seems it is a MD5 format hashing. Let's find more clearly the password identification, means hash identification. We can use tools like hash identifier or IP or like this. I personally use IP. With the password again. It tells us that it is probably MD5 format password, and it gives also the hashtag format, means mode 0 and John the Ripper format raw MD5. And copy the password. I'm in a folder that called crypto. Let's see the folder. Balance. There is a hash text. Previously created. Remove the hash. Okay. Yeah. Now make a file of this hash. Sorry. Make a file called hash.txt. Hash like this. Properly stored in the text file, hash.txt. Now we will try to crack the password. We will use John the Ripper. Format is equal to, first of all, we see that our the previous the hash format like MD5 on we will use raw MD5 for this format to crack the hash. On format for raw MD5 word list. Here I built a custom word list for mine. For mine, you can use raw queue, but I am here using my custom list word list for this test and the hash file. Let's enter. Bingo. We got the flag. And the flag, if we copy this and paste the answer, submit. Congratulations, correctly submitted. Now look at second challenge, like guess the password. Here also given the same task. A hash given. Let's copy the hash and check the hash length. So, 40. It seems like it is a SHA1 format hash. Yes, identify the hash. It's giving SHA1, SHA1, and the John the Ripper format is raw SHA1. Find it. First of all, echo. Overwrite the hash to the hash file. Like text. Let's find this text hash. Okay. All right. Here's your John. Format raw There is one word list custom the text. Oh, finally got it. Exact password, I'll guess. Let's submit. Oh, pronunciation. Correct submission. Guys, today's if this helped you understand CTF cryptography, hit the like button and subscribe. I will solve more CTF problems of CyberTalent, because CTF, try hack me, web exploitation, forensics, open source intelligence, reverse engineering. Drop a comment if you are solve this problem differently in the next challenge. But you can use also the this step tools to crack online passwords. Like here, copy the password. Break captcha. It's designed robot. Okay. It also gives the password. Thank you everyone. See you soon.